Welcome to Chris Hair Fire, guys. How you all doing? So this video is just me showing you how I tint my brow. So I am using this product, Jancho Hair Dye. We use it with water. This is used with water. So this is the product I'm using, and I'm going to be showing you what it looks like from inside. So this is actually the whole content of this, and this is the deal. Like this is how it comes inside. The expiring date is 2025. It's still good whenever I'm using anything. The first thing I check is the expiring date. It also comes with a mixing cup. So let's get to business. I've once used this, but it's been long. I used it, so this is it. It's sealed. We need just a very small quantity because it's just for the brows. I think this will even be much. This very small quantity like this. We don't want to make it like too liquidy. Yes, it's reacting like, can you see this? It's reacting kind of like foam. Foam is from inside. Not too liquidy so that it doesn't fall off. Like this is everything in the bottle and it's here. My face is already washed and very clean, so but we still have to like wipe, most especially around the area where we are going to be working. This is the mixture right here. It's not too much, just like a pinch mixed with water. So I'm going to brush my brow and get in place, and we are going to first start by concealing the brow. Using it. this point all the product is off, like finish on my brush. If I need product, I'll get it from here and come with it in front. So at this point, I'm just slightly stroking at the front line of my brow. That's to like remove the extra product on my brush and apply it there, because here we don't need too much product because we want the front line to really look ashy, like we want it to look as natural as possible. So we need very little product in front so that the front will not look like too dark. And the tint I am using here is a black one. There is also the brown one which was not available in the market. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that each time I post a video you'll be instantly notified. So this is the remain from the little we mixed, and after 5 minutes everything is set. Like this thing sets like immediately I apply it, it's already ready to take off. So it's dry, like immediately it dries, the product dries, you can take it off. So at this point I'm feeling the part that is dried, but it's not really that too dry, but I know it's okay. So we are using a wet facial wipe here to clean it. Oh my god, see guys, this thing is, wow, this is a success. It came out so well, like this is good. So this can last you for days, weeks, After depend on how you
We'll do
maintain it.
it.
So I'm just
So I'm
insistently
actually
wiping the front part
insisting
because I want it
here
to
to
look
get the
ashy. I want it to
ash,
look natural
like
in front. And I'm editing this video the next day
this
and it
other
actually look
side.
more natural the second day. Wow, guys, see now, this is instant microblading. This is so beautiful and this is nice, very inexpensive. You can try it at home, but if you know you are not that experienced, please get somebody who knows how to use these things to do it for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.
So this is the final result. Let me know what you think. If you have watched this far, please guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I